stuff. Grab her stuff.
I can't if you're pulling out. If you're pulling me off the train, I can't get my stuff.
You got it.
Stand up.
Really?
You are not
Stand up. I can touch you all I want.
No, you're not. I paid to be on this train. Stop. Hey,
Grab her
really,
stuff.
you're
Grab her
making.
stuff.
I can't if you're pulling out. If you're pulling me off the train, I can't get my stuff.
You got it right
Let
there.
me go.
It's right here.
Stop. Just pay my phone's on the train.
Oh my God. Real officer, please, please, officer, please,
On the train.
please stop doing this, officer. Please don't do this.
I told you what to do.
Officer, it's really not a big deal.
stuff?
Officer, it's really not a big deal. It was just chairs. It was just
31 FU 140. Give me a backup and location. I'm at the
Everything's on camera, so.
Westlake MacArthur Park.
We
Hutchinson.
got this.
Where's her stuff at? Where's her stuff
This
at?
LAPD officer pulled a girl from a train for having her foot on the seat, and everyone in the station is in complete shock.
18.
He's taking me off the train for having my foot on the f***ing seat.
Okay, give me some space, guys.
What's your name, officer?
Give me my.
What's his name? Can you see his badge?
Thank you.
Of course.
Are you
Badge
gonna
number,
report
sir.
this?
Badge number.
Report.
Badge number.
What's the
Badge number.
Yeah, what's the
Badge number.
Shoot the badge number.
We could get the badge number.
Come on, you think you can do this?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, of course you can.
Over her foot? Really?
What is going
Over
on?
her foot on the train? That's so ridiculous.
Because you're a scumbag. Because you're a scumbag.
That's really abuse of power, officer.
Facebook.
Over her train? Over her foot on a seat?
You know what?
She wasn't blocking anybody else from sitting down?
Everything on tape.
I was on my way to the DMV. I have to meet my mother to get my ID because I just turned 18. This is not fair that you took me off the train because I had my foot there because I was comfortable like that. There is no law that tells me that I cannot sit that way because I paid to be in there.
Rules of the train.
What's the rules of the train? Tell me the rules.
What's the rules?
Am I not allowed to
Give me the book. Where's the book at?
They're all posted.
Where's the book? I don't give a you're not
That's
talking
fine.
to
You're
me.
gonna give me
This
some
is not
space.
fair.
Otherwise, you're
No.
I'm sorry.
What, you're gonna arrest me?
Treat me
So
with
what?
respect. You can talk to me like that.
You're threatening me.
I don't have any idea. I was about to go to the DMV to get it.
I'm not going to give you any space because you're not giving anybody respect right now.
You're not respecting me. You're not respecting her. I should not be going to jail right now.
And everybody knows that you're in the wrong
Back
right now.
up. Back away.
I'm not gonna back
You're
up.
impeding my investigation. Back away.
Investigation.
Back.
Investigation
Are
for what?
looking at a minority
I seen
right now.
everything.
You
Back
are
away.
looking at a minority.
Yeah.
What do
Back
you want to
away.
do? You want to take my back? There's nothing in there. I don't have any form of ID. I don't have any drugs. I don't have anything that you can arrest me for. My foot was on a chair. What kind of conflicts do you have that you need to take me off the train when I paid for it?
The red line MacArthur Park station.
Tell these people to go. They're waiting for me. This is unfair. I don't care if I'm on the train. Let them go. They also have to do. They have places to be, just like I did. And then you just took me on the train, wrapped my foot there. Take me to jail. There's no reason for you to take me to jail.
Take her to jail for putting her foot on the bus? Are you kidding me? You really have nothing to do. Is it the end of the month? Or
It is the end of the month.
You need to meet your quota. You need to meet your quota. So you know what? This is money for you right now. This is money for you right now. You're just like ravishing in it. Just ravishing in it.
Take us.
It's just beautiful.
Take us.
This is beautiful.
Take her into custody. Take her into custody. Where's the other
It
guy?
doesn't need to go into custody. This is an unfair.
Your partner? Take her into custody.
You don't need to take me into custody.
Going to jail.
I don't want to.
For her foot? Oh my God.
Get off of me.
This is ridiculous.
Off of me.
Why
This
you
is
making
because this is she has her hat. Shut up.
She wasn't objecting anybody from sitting.
This is racism. This is what we are.
So crazy.
Let go of your strap.
Why? So many
Who do
jackets.
you think was in the wrong? Head back tomorrow for another episode of Did That Just Happen?